We're looking at a beautiful painting done by Tom Anderson. It's one of our workshop paintings. I want you to look at these mountains, the ones that are the farthest away. What is it that you notice? Notice that you can't really see a lot of definition, a lot of detail. You notice they're lighter in color. What about this range right in front of it? And that one. I say right in front of it. There's lots and lots of mileage between this one and that one. Billy used to say, I'm gonna bring the mountains about 50 miles closer. I don't know how many miles there is between those two, but the idea is that you're coming forward. And if you want to create atmosphere and perspective, then what you have to do is you have to change the values as you come closer. So if you look at this one, you'll notice a little more detail. There's a little more color in it, a little more violet in it. Okay, what do you notice when you look down here, when you're coming forward? What do you notice here? There's a lot more detail. It's darker in color. It has more brown in with the violet. And so that's why you see such a difference here. So you'll see a little more detail here, but nothing like what you see over here in the foreground or even down here that's right in front of us. We're so blessed to have so much beauty all around us. And as you're out looking at nature, I want you to notice something. I want you to look at things that are far off in the distance and notice this concept that things are going to be lighter and more blue. And then notice the detail of the things that are just absolutely right in front of you. So before you paint your next mountain scene, stop and think about these concepts, about how far things are going to be away, what colors. And once you do this, once you figure this concept out, you don't have to guess what color is going to be back here or what color is going to be up here. It's just a natural progression. Enjoy your next mountain scene, but more importantly, no, not more importantly, just as important, I want you to learn to really see what's all around you in your neighborhoods, in your, if you go for a drive, look for the concepts of seeing things in the distance and things up close. Happy painting.